And the main subject of today is then InnoBuild. So therefore, I give the floor to you, Ronny Bjørnevåg, to present the InnoBuild project.
Yes, thank you for the introduction, Elisabeth. As you said, the InnoBuild project aims to improve the process by which contracting public authorities and entities are acquiring goods and services. And we are 4 partners, as you mentioned, the municipality of Falun and Lyngdal, together with the Agency of Public Management and e-Government and the National Programme for Supply Development. And we are co-funded by the European Commission, as you said, but we are also supported by Innovation Norway and Vinnova in Sweden. The partners in the project has different roles. Lyngdal is the lead partner, and we have the project administrator. Falun are together with Lyngdal purchasers and will implement an innovative procurement process in collaboration with Lyngdal. DIFI is a competence partner with responsibility for documentation, creating a web book and powering our web page innobuild.eu. The National Programme for Supply Development is also a competence partner, responsible for the innovative procurement method with the dialogue and marketing activities as we are doing today. About the method, it's how new approaches to public procurement can create smarter and more cost-efficient solutions for the public sector, and at the same time create new markets for the industry through innovation. For those of you who want to learn more about the method, please go into our website, innobuild.eu. The background for the project and for the municipality's procurement interests are twofold. How to face both demographic challenges and the challenges combating climate change. In 1950, less than 1% of the global population was aged over 80 years. By 1950, the share of those aged 80 years and over are expected to increase from 4% in 2010 to almost 10% across OECD countries. The growth of the share of the very old will affect the future demand of long-term care. Long-term care is highly labor-intensive, and working conditions for care workers are poor. Few workers remain in their jobs for long, and and the turnover is very high. To be able to continue today's care level, some European countries, like Sweden and Norway, need for up to 7 out of 10 to choose long-term care as their future profession. And that is not possible, neither in Sweden or in Norway, and it doesn't look like it's possible for any other European countries. So long-term care has to change to be able to face the future. And Europe needs other solutions to supply manual labor. And that are these challenges that we need to meet. In Falun and Lyngdal, we see the need to build high-tech buildings to compensate for the demographic increase and the future shortage of nurses. To read more about long-term care, please visit our website at innobuild.eu. And it has been stated that the tremendous changes in the global climate will have enormous and costly consequences. In European countries, CO2 allowance should be cut by 21% by 2020 compared with the actual emissions in 2005. And we need new solutions to meet those goals.